How to join this affiliate program and get paid $1,032 for one sale. What is the Strikingly Affiliate Program? To date, we've paid millions of dollars to over 6,000 affiliates around the world. The Strikingly Affiliate Program allows you to earn recurring commissions by referring subscribers to our premium plans. When you sign up for our affiliate program, you'll get a unique referral link to place on your website, blog or channel. When someone becomes a paid subscriber through your unique referral link, we will pay you up to $1,032 for one sale plus recurring commissions for the entire lifetime of that subscriber. How much can I earn? Our commission rate is among the most generous in the world among affiliate programs. Our commission rate is among the most generous in the world among affiliate programs. Up to $1,032 for one sale. 50% of any subscription fee users pay in their first year of sign-up. $20% of any recurring subscription fee users pay after the first year, as long as you remain an active affiliate. No cap on how much you can earn. We've seen many affiliates grow from zero to tens of thousands of dollars in earnings. Join them today. Why should I refer Strikingly now? 3 words: join the revolution. There are 582 million entrepreneurs in the world and nearly 30% of Americans are self-employed. All these startups, entrepreneurs and small businesses need websites or blogs or online stores. The market is huge and expanding every day. E-commerce is exploding. E-commerce revenue has reached $4.28 trillion and there are currently 7.9 million e-commerce stores in the world. These numbers are predicted to rise exponentially in the years to come. COVID has sped up launching and buying anything online. In the UK alone, there was an 87% increase in online buying. It is predicted that by 2023, US e-commerce revenue will grow over 70%. Many people are flooding to build their site to capture this wave now. If you like this video so far, then please subscribe. It is totally free. Watch our next video on how to get paid. Let's get back to the video. The uprising no-code builder market is expected to grow 23% in 2021 alone. As technology is not as scary anymore, many more people with zero coding or design experience will be launching their websites and online stores. The above megatrends have led to more than 100% growth of online stores built on Strikingly since COVID started. The acceleration of launching and buying online doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon. You don't really want to miss out. Link to the affiliate program is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe.